Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to compare GoDaddy and Hostinger. Which among the two is better? So let's dive into the video. So you're launching a website and you're stuck between GoDaddy and Hostinger. So which one gives you the best bang for your buck? Let's break it down. First up, pricing. Hostinger is one of the cheapest in the game, starting as low as $2.99 a month, and you get free SSL, email, and weekly backups included. GoDaddy starts at $6.99 a month, and you'll pay extra for basic features like SSL and backups. Now let's talk performance. Hostinger uses Lightspeed servers, which means faster loading times and better caching, especially for WordPress sites. GoDaddy isn't slow, but it uses standard Apache servers, and their shared hosting can get sluggish under heavy traffic. Speed tests, Hostinger usually loads pages 30 to 40% faster than GoDaddy. Again, point to Hostinger. GoDaddy has a sleek interface, great for domain management, and their drag and drop builder is solid for beginners. Hostinger, on the other hand, has its own custom control panel called H panel. It's clean, beginner friendly, and honestly more modern than GoDaddy's C panel setup. So, if you're techie and love customization, Hostinger shines. But for total beginners, GoDaddy might feel slightly easier to navigate. Both offer 24/7 support, but Hostinger's chat team is quicker to respond and more helpful according to most reviews. As for uptime, both promise 99.9%, but real-world monitoring shows Hostinger with slightly better reliability. Support plus uptime, it's close, but Hostinger takes it by a nose. So, GoDaddy or Hostinger? If you want an all-in-one domain plus builder experience and don't mind paying a bit more, GoDaddy might be for you. But if you want better performance, lower cost, and more features out of the box, Hostinger is the better deal. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!